All right, so this is one option for a project is go on a field trip to a college university. So I live in Kelowna. This is UBCO where I actually did my Bachelor of Science and my Bachelor of Education, and I have spent probably more time in this building than any other building in the world. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you a little bit about this university, and obviously not many of you guys are gonna be living in Kelowna, but you could go to, any sort of college, post-secondary institution, maybe even there's like a museum or a library in town that's doing some sort of exhibit on science. But follow me. All right, so as you enter, you can see there is a really cool exhibit right off the bat. If you take a look, this is a really cool plant. This has been here ever since my first year of university, so I don't even know how long it's been here for. But when I used to come here, these roots were not even at the ground yet. They were probably about right here. So now they've actually grown all the way down. They are a tropical plant, and they've got lots of cool different names if you read and talk about it. But it's a creeping vine. So, I mean, I could do my whole, field trip and just talk about this one cool plant. It's super, super interesting. And it actually sends its roots down, which is pretty cool. It grows up, and then it sends its roots down into the ground. So they've actually put a little planting box here, and it looks like some of the roots are going to just dive right into the soil there. You could also go and interview or talk to some of the professors around. This is where a bunch of all my professors' offices are. It's where I used to go get help whenever I needed help. And then you come over here, going a little bit farther, there's all these really cool biology, this one's biology specific, but lots of different scientific sort of studies that grad students have done. So I live in BC, in Kelowna, and in Kelowna there's tons and tons of vineyards. So this is actually on grapevine trunk disease management. So that's super cool. You can see they've got all this great work done here, and if you look down the hall, there's posters all the way down. So if you come even a little bit farther here, these are all the papers, and if you remember the research chapter that was before this, these are all the recent articles that professors from here at UBCO are writing. So, I mean, I could come here, do a field trip, and just study one of these. I could grab one, read about it, and do my field trip synopsis on that. So UBCO is super, super cool. There's lots of cool things to check out. This one, road mitigation is a demographic filter for grizzly bears. Sounds interesting. Sweet success. Scientific communication correlates with increased citations in ecology and conservation. Okay, I don't know what that's about. Genetic sampling for estimating density of common species. Linking the gut microbial ecosystem with the environment. Lots of cool stuff. So by getting out, I hope that you guys can, see something new and enjoy a little bit of what your area has to offer. Thanks.